Health Insurance Cam. Temperatures this evening staying close to 60 degrees. That's about as cold as we're going to get tonight with a pretty good southerly wind out there. This is our high-resolution forecast model. Shows you showers and maybe even some storms overnight and through the morning. Not a big deal. But what is a big deal is what's going to be advancing in here during the day tomorrow. This is noontime on Thursday. A line of strong, if not severe, storms will be developing across eastern Arkansas and eastern Louisiana. This will be moving toward us, and after 12 o'clock, that's when the brunt of this line will be moving in. By about 4 o'clock or so, it should be spreading across the area. And the question mark really remains, will this be more of a wind and tornado threat, or will this start transitioning over to just some flash flooding? I say just some flash flooding because it's almost like pick your poison, but you get the idea. Strong to severe weather could be a potential tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Even as we get into the early morning hours on Friday, that's when the system slows up, and that's when we're talking about the eastern half of the state really dealing with a flash flooding problem more than anything else. For now, there are some showers out there currently. The big area of storms is in West Texas. That's the line we're going to be paying attention to tomorrow. But for tonight's purposes, there are a few showers out there. They will continue to advance in from the southwest. Temperatures around the state are either in the 50s or 60s. Not a bad day considering. 67 right now in Natchez, as a matter of fact. Overnight tonight, a few showers possible. The wind will be picking up. I don't expect any severe weather tonight. Temperatures near 60 degrees in the morning. In the morning tomorrow, a couple of showers or storms could pop up. They may be severe, but the better likelihood is in the afternoon as this line of storms starts moving in. Also, strong southerly winds in advance of the line. That's going to feed the energy and the moisture into it. And by the middle of the afternoon, temperatures in the 60s and 70s, depending on where it's raining and where it's not. And that's when this line of storms will be moving right through the middle of our state, continuing to push off to the east. The best risk, or the highest risk, for severe weather come Thursday will be between noon and 7 p.m. A slight risk overall for the southern half of the state, the rest of the region under a marginal severe weather threat. High winds and flooding are right now the biggest likely concerns. Large hail and tornadoes, they are a lower end threat, but still something we're going to pay very close attention to, especially as this line starts to move in. So tomorrow is a stormy day, but then it's wet and it's chilly for Saturday, Sunday, and possibly even Monday, New Year's Eve, with rain likely around the area. That's from this actual front stalling out along the Gulf Coast and keeping us with some pretty unsettled weather over the next few days. And the rainfall, that could be up there too. For the rest of this year, we're talking about 2 to 4 inches of rain easily into Monday night. That's a lot of rain, and that will cause some flooding issues possibly across our area. So what should you do right now? Well, Thursday being an alert day, we want you to charge up your devices now, your iPhones, your tablets, your Android devices, whatever you use to get weather information. And then, of course, secure any objects. We got a lot of yard ornaments, decorations, and a lot of folks have taken the trash to the curb. And yeah, that could be blown around tomorrow, especially with a wind advisory and a flash flood watch in effect. Download our weather app, because if we go into continuous coverage tomorrow dealing with tornadoes and you lose power, you won't lose access to us. You can still watch us right here through the app. So that's really important to note. Your forecast for tonight, temperatures staying close to 60. Rain chances around as well. Nothing severe, but it will turn breezy overnight. Tomorrow, a threat of some isolated severe weather in the morning, but it's much more likely in the afternoon. Temperatures going from the 60s in the morning, 70s in the afternoon. Wind will be howling all day, 20, 30 miles an hour, higher in those thunderstorms. 7-day forecast shows you good chances for rain Thursday, big chances for rain Sunday and Monday. This is a wet forecast, folks, for the next 7 days. 70s tomorrow with the threat of severe weather. Thursday, an alert day. Friday, 60s. Weekend comes around. It's going to give us temperatures in the 60s. Your Mississippi weekend forecast, 60 on Saturday, 56 or 55, I should say, on Sunday. A good chance for showers both days, and then wet and chilly for New Year's Eve.